you will be able to reload your LoadXtream account in maybe less than 2 to 3 minutes. Now, that's really fast. All you have to do is go to any GCash outlet. And if you're a Globe subscriber, you don't have to deposit to our GCash account. Hindi na kayo maghuhulog sa GCash account ni V-Mobile. What you will do is you will deposit to your GCash account. Alright? To your account, not ours. And all you have to do is send a special command to our system, which is, di ba meron kayong sinisend na LX space reload? This time, it is LX space G-reload. G-reload. And then, follows the same format. Once you submitted that and the system received your command, your request, we will trigger GCash, and GCash will send a prompt to your phone saying V-Mobile Technologies Inc. is collecting whatever the amount you inputted, let's say 1,000 pesos, is collecting 1,000 pesos from your account. Please enter your MPIN to authorize. So all you have to do is press your MPIN, whatever your MPIN is, for Globe. And once that is successful, it will immediately credit your account. So wala nang LX space reload command, and you will have to wait for validation, maybe 2 hours, or the whole day to get reloaded. In a matter of maybe minutes, maybe less than 5 minutes. Ayaw namin sabihin real time. You know why? Because this is session-based. Yung interaction ng system nila at saka ng system namin ay parang internet session na pwedeng maputol. And just in case, hindi na mga possible delay. But based on our testing, it's really fast. Something like maybe less than a minute, you get your account reloaded. Isn't it very exciting? Na lahat, all your concerns, we are actually listening, and we would like to improve a lot of things. Alright? So in almost 4 years, we were able to prove that V-Mobile is now the leading unified prepaid products distribution platform provider in the country. Now let's talk about the business philosophy. I'd like to congratulate Team Mavericks for organizing this event. And I'm impressed with your creativity in doing a lot of things. Alam nyo, yung video nila is theirs. Their own way of making you understand a very complicated business opportunity. Marami nagsasabi sa akin, people who know me, alam mo, very complicated ka mag-isip. And so I'm very glad that I'm blessed with a lot of people around me who tend to think the simplest way para lang maintindihan ng tao yung complicated opportunity. And I'd like to congratulate the spearheading of Mr. Gerald Gallego, head of Team Mavericks, and of course the different leaders in your respective areas, no? Hanggang sa mga taga-Iligan na na-meet ko rito kanina. Now, he explained to you the business and how it will provide you income and empowerment. Here, I'd like to share with you the business philosophy. When alam niyo sa negosyo, importante na pinag-iisipan niyo ulit yung sinimulan niyo. Tama po yan. Do you agree?
Yes.
Why? Because you are in search, not only you're testing whether your business will last, or whether entrance in the business, or whether changes in the economy, changes in the trend will affect your business or not. And so, as a person who has been involved in network marketing for 17 years, 17 years na ako sa network marketing, 7 years spent as network marketer. Sumali ko sa maraming network marketing companies. Nagsuot na rin po ako ng bata na nakalagay doon, lose weight now, ask me how. Marami na ako sa ng company. And nasubukan kong gumawa ng cold calls mismo sa clinic ng dermatologist at a-applyan ko siya ng kung ano mang ina-apply sa mukha para ma-stretch yung mukha niya, ma-experience yung grabe. That is 7 years. And the next 10 years, of course, managing my own business, helping other network marketing companies. And I observed network marketing business, the industry as a whole, and I realized it changed a lot already. Dumaan ako sa maraming pagbabago. Alam niyo kung bakit? Marami na rin ko kasi yung nasunog sa network marketing. Marami rin dumating na wala at marami talagang nananamantala. Totoo po yun. Sa lahat ng Asian countries, ang Philippines lang ang hindi professionalized ang network marketing. Dito lang ho, hanggang sa panahon to, hindi educated even ang ating mga regulators at saka mga mambabatas about network marketing. And bakit until now, we cannot do that? We cannot achieve it? Because yung mga network marketing companies, nag-aaway-away, nagko-compete. Unlike in Indonesia, Malaysia, professionalized yung industry because may nag-represent. We are hoping na one day mabago yan sa Pilipinas. And I'm very hopeful magagawa ng Pinoy. Lagi ho akong mayroong tiwala sa Pinoy kasi sa totoo lang ho magagaling talaga tayo. Yun lang pinaniniwala ko at saka pinaninindigan ko. Now, bakit hindi tayo gagaling? Tingnan nyo naman to. Hindi ba kilala yan sa buong mundo? Those are the people we consider tycoons. And please remember, they understand one principle, which they mastered skillfully, and that is leveraging. Now, leveraging is something that you don't learn in school. Do you agree? Just one proof na hindi tinuturo sa school yan. Can you translate leveraging in Bisaya? Can you? Is there a word, Visaya's word for leveraging? Or in Tagalog, can you translate leveraging in Tagalog? Or any dialect that we have? Wala, di ba? Because it's not being taught. The principle of leveraging is not being taught in school. So, this is the business philosophy and that the one that's changing our direction as a company. Inisip ko yan eh, kasi sabi ko, if everybody will be members of this company, and if I will have to create them agents, ang pangit. Parang hindi totoo na we are helping empower you if we're teaching you to retail load. Because I believe retailing, sabi ko, is always 100% of yourself. So this is no longer about retailing prepaid products. The shape of this world is not round. Do you agree?
Yes.
The shape of this world is not round. It's always a big triangle. Or if you want, call it pyramid. As applicable to it. And the tycoons are the big triangles in a huge triangle. In a triangle of world. The world of triangle. They are the huge, big triangles. Saan tayo nun? When we talk about our position in the big triangle, some of us may be, or most of us may be, as a bottom. And the successful ones, they are the ones top. Maybe some of you have created a fortune and stay in the middle. And so, for those like us who want to change their life, we want to be on top. Right? And for you to be on top, you need to understand leveraging as a principle. And so when you create a business or when you involve yourself in a business, you look for a way to find leveraging. Because if you find an opportunity and you must do everything, then it's not gonna get you somewhere na mas mabilis na parang katulad nila Mr. Henry C. Because ikaw lang kikilos eh. So you must find a system that will provide you opportunity. And to us, and to me, I believe, V-Mobile, because that's our guidance philosophy that guides us, we actually impacted the whole telco industry. It's gonna change the future. You know how? Well, that's the reason why they're creating exclusive denomination product. They've never done this.